this is Yvebelize. Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for coming. Hope you find value in this video and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you what an overnight wash and go looks like. I came up with this method because when I first started my natural hair journey, when I say I was watching videos, I wanted to learn to do a wash and go. It looked beautiful on everybody else's hair, and I'm like, I want my hair to look like that. And I was using the stuff they were using, and my hair wasn't looking the same. I went through all kind of struggles to try to do my hair at nighttime before I go to bed. So when I get up in the morning for work, it would be intact, and just to wake up in the morning and it's all wrong and I have to start all over getting up extra early. So I said, I have to figure this thing out. So what I did, I came up with this method so that my wash and go can look like everybody else's wash and go. And keep in mind, when you're dealing with your own hair, we all have different textures, we all have different curl patterns, and the porosity of our hair is different. You have to take all of that into consideration and all the stuff that you are using into consideration. This video today is not so much about what I'm using in this wash and go tonight. It's about me showing you the technique so that you can achieve your wash and go. I started doing this overnight so that it can help me, and it worked. So you can do this any time of the day, but I do this at nighttime. So it's almost bedtime and I'm about to do it this way so that I can get up in the morning, and I'll show you what we do to finish it off. So I already started, as you can see, and I left this at the top of my hair so I can do it and show you. My hair is freshly washed. I had deep condition in my hair for like 24 hours, so my hair is feeling really, really nice. I'm just showing you the technique to get this achieved. You don't necessarily have to use what I'm using. Use what you do. If you do the LOC, meaning you're leaving your oil, your cream, whichever way you do it. I don't have any oils in my hair. I put in my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and today I'm using the Mael Rice Water Collection, the moisturizing milk. This is very good. It's not too thick, not too thin. It works well with my baby, and you know who my baby is, honey. We don't do nothing without her. I'm gonna go in with the gel, and you need your water. The key to getting a great wash and go, your hair must be wet. It's your best wash and go if you're working on wet hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this technique, honey. So my hair is already sectioned off because this is the way that I pre-pooed, and this is the way I wash my hair. So it's already in sections, so I'm working off of my sections. First thing, the hair is damp. I'm gonna put more water in my hair so that it could be wet. I'm gonna go in with the gel. I'm gonna make sure the roots is really smooth. Not that you're putting it on your scalp, but you want to smooth out your hair with your gel and get your curls going. Your curls are formed. See that? You don't necessarily have to comb through it, but you want to make sure that your hair is formed, the curls. So you see, the section is done. So what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna do a 2-strand twist with this section here. As you notice, I'm not using any comb because my hair was already detangled. When I did my deep condition, I detangled my hair. So water, gel, smooth it out, comb through it to form your curls. So now we're all done. I don't know if I've mentioned this to you, but my hair is high porosity, high to medium. The next step now is the hair is all wet. So this is the way that we're gonna go to sleep with the hair. I have a cap. At this point, you can put on a plastic bag or a plastic cap on your head and just put a scarf or something over it to keep it in place. I'm gonna be using this shower cap is plastic on the inside and it's satin on the outside. Usually I would put on a plastic cap and then my silk bonnet. There's no need to do that because I have a 2-for-1 here. This is to keep the hair nice and wet while you sleep. In the morning, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take this down. Good morning. My hair is still really wet. I have my water and my gel just in case when I start taking them down if I need to re-wet, but the hair is really wet as you can see, as we want it to be. It is now 8:18 a.m. This shouldn't take long at all. So you start by undoing your twist, and as you can see, so there was no need for me to put any more gel. This is all preference, or any more water on the hair. All you're doing now is simply untwisting. And for this part, you can either just comb through and let them separate, or if you want, you can shingle. And let me show you what shingling is. This one here in the front. So you would take the hair, me wet right here because this is the front, and up here is a little bit not as wet, so I might as well put a little bit more gel as well on here. So shingling would be when you separate in little pieces. You don't necessarily have to twist the hair, but just pull the hair apart and, you know, like this. So you can do it two ways. You can just do it like this, or you can shingle. I'm not gonna shingle, I'm just pulling them down. So that was easy, right? Yeah, you have your wash and go overnight.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Let me take off my watch so I can show you. It's about 8:33. You see that? So it took us about 17 minutes to take this down. And look at that. We have a perfect wash and go from sleeping overnight with our juicy twists. there you have it. I hope that you learned something new today and that you would try this out and let me know how it worked out for you. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, share the video. Somebody might not know how to do a wash and go. You know, we have to teach each other. Here I'm trying to make here simple because it's looked at like, oh, it's a hassle for the day. There's simple things that we can do to achieve the look that we're going for. Eve will see you in the next video.